Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing y'all how I make my non-toxic cleaning products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get at it and get it done. Now I'm going to start unboxing everything so I can make all the cleaning products. I came across this non-toxic disinfectant online called Force of Nature, and it really caught my attention because it's really neat how it works, and it's supposed to be super effective at disinfecting, killing 99.9% of all germs, and it also doesn't have any type of toxic smells. This video is also not sponsored by Force of Nature or any type of sponsor. I purchased all of the products on my own.
We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only.
So essentially the way that you make this product is you have two parts, which is the electrolyzer appliance and then you have the capsules. So you fill it up with water to the fill line, and then you add in this little activator capsule, and then you turn the button on and it breaks apart water, salt, and vinegar, and it forms them into two new ingredients, hypochlorous acid and sodium hydroxide. I know, y'all are probably thinking, Taylor, I didn't come here to learn chemistry, but it is really neat how it works.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now.
Once the light turns green, it is ready to use, and you do have to use it within 2 weeks of making it because the hypochlorous acid will start to dissipate. So I just set a reminder on my phone, but usually I use it up by then because I now use this in place of all of my disinfectants and I love it. I've been using this product for a few months now because I wanted to really test it out and make sure that I liked it before I recommended it to y'all, and I love it. I have a lot of allergies and I'm very sensitive to scents and certain chemicals, so this has been a complete game changer to me. Now I'm just going to pour it into the spray bottle, and you'll see in this video that I ended up making 3 bottles of it. So I keep one in the kitchen, one in my bathroom, and then my mom keeps one in her bathroom.
Your bags, we never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me, we could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us.
So now I'm going to start making my all-purpose cleaner, and I got these really nice glass spray bottles off of Amazon. They are from Sally's Organics, and they are really nice quality.
Down, down, down.
The first step is going to be to fill the bottles up with distilled water, and this is important to note that whenever you are making homemade cleaners, it's best to use some type of distilled water, whether you purchase it at your grocery store, or I believe you can also boil water and let it cool. But the reason for this is you want to be really sanitary, and you don't want to introduce any type of bacteria into your cleaning products.
Hurt us in our bubble, for better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down.
I'm going to be using just a few drops of the Dr. Bronner Sal Suds. It's a super concentrated all-purpose cleaner that you can use for all kinds of different things, everything from dishes, mopping the floors, and so much more. And it also smells really nice and clean. It reminds me a lot of Pine Sol, but it doesn't irritate me like Pine Sol, so I'm really enjoying the Sal Suds.
But nothing can hurt us in our bubble, for better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down. No regrets and windows
Now I'm going to get out my handy dandy label maker and label the all-purpose cleaner. I have had this label maker forever and it still works great, so hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh.
Here I'm just pouring the second bottle of Force of Nature and starting to make another bottle of it.
One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes.
Now I'm going to make the foaming hand soap, and all I do is use foaming hand soap dispensers that I purchased off of Amazon, and I add distilled water and about 1/4 a cup of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. And this is also a multi-purpose cleaner just like the Sal Suds, but the Castile soap is much more gentle on the skin, so I prefer it when making soap. Actually, hand soap is what kind of introduced me into non-toxic cleaning products, because I had mentioned before that I have a lot of allergies and I deal with eczema on my hands, and a lot of commercial soaps cause eczema flares and severe itching on my hands due to the fragrance and chemicals. And I wash my hands a lot, and I was having to buy really expensive soaps to try to avoid those ingredients that I'm allergic to, but it was not very budget friendly, so I came across this online and it has been a total lifesaver. Not only has it helped me with my hand eczema, but it's also so much more budget friendly.
And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
I'm not not sure if I'd already mentioned this before, but I am on Weight Watchers and I'm trying to lose weight and live a healthier lifestyle. I'm trying to cut out a lot of unnecessary toxins and kind of embrace more of a non-toxic lifestyle. But with that being said, I'm not completely non-toxic and I still will use bleach, my powdered Tide, and other cleaning products that I love when I need them. I just really am trying to limit how much I use that stuff because it really does affect me. So on a daily, day-to-day basis, I only use the Force of Nature, my homemade all-purpose cleaner, and of course the homemade hand soap. And by doing this, it has cut out a lot of the eczema and allergy flare-ups. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope that you find this helpful, and if you decide to try any of these products, then let me know what you think and if you like them. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!